Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things product comparison. Today, we're putting two GPS drones head-to-head in an epic aerial showdown. On the left, we have the Potensic Atom SE, aka the Featherweight Flyer, and on the right, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone, aka the Budget Bird. So fasten your seatbelts and grab your popcorn because it's about to get sky-high up in here. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The Featherweight Flyer will set you back $299. But wait, there's more. For that price, you get a drone that weighs less than a bag of chips and doesn't need an FAA registration. Talk about a win-win. On the other hand, we have the Budget Bird coming in at a wallet-friendly $169. It's like finding a $20 bill in your winter coat pocket. Both are great deals, but one might just be a bit kinder to your bank account. Next, let's zoom in on camera quality. The Featherweight Flyer boasts a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a Hollywood director in your pocket. It shoots 12 megapixels photos and 4K at 30 FPS HD video, with the Shake Vanish tech to keep things smooth. Reviewers rave about its high-quality footage and stability. Meanwhile, the Budget Bird also offers a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like comparing Spielberg to a really enthusiastic amateur filmmaker. Reviewers appreciate its clear camera, but note it can struggle in windy conditions. Both are great, but one just has that extra cinematic flair. Now, let's see who stays in the air longer. The Featherweight Flyer comes with two 2,500 mAh batteries, giving you a whopping 62 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film a short movie or, stalk your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. Reviewers love its extended flight time and reliability. The Budget Bird, on the other hand, offers 46 minutes with its two modular batteries. Not bad, but it's like getting a medium popcorn instead of a large at the movies. You always want those extra buttery minutes. Reviewers find its flight time decent, but wish for more. Alright, let's talk GPS and auto return. The Featherweight Flyer will safely auto-fly back to its takeoff point when it loses signal or is low on power. It's like having a built-in homing pigeon. Reviewers find this feature very reliable. Not to be outdone, the Budget Bird also has GPS-assisted auto return home. It's like having a boomerang that actually works. However, some reviewers have experienced issues with this feature on the Budget Bird. Both drones give you peace of mind, but one might just be a bit more reliable when you accidentally fly it into the neighbor's yard. Last but not least, let's see how beginner-friendly these drones are. The Featherweight Flyer has a Surge Fly flight control system with beginner mode and 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. It's like training wheels for your drone. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and various flight modes. The Budget Bird also caters to newbies with headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. Basically, it's like having a drone nanny. Reviewers find it easy to control, but note some features can be tricky. Both are great for beginners, but one might just give you that extra push to become the next drone racing champion. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE is praised for its stability, ease of use, safety features, and high-quality camera. It is recommended for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone receives positive feedback for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, though some users have noted issues with its GPS and auto-return features. So there you have it, folks. The featherweight flyer and the budget bird have both shown us their best moves. Whether you're looking for top-tier camera quality, longer flight time, or a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. Remember, the best drone is the one that fits your needs and your budget. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Oh, and one last thing. Don't forget to leave a comment below on which drone you think wins this aerial battle. Featherweight flyer or budget bird? Let the drone wars begin. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.